In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best stand mixers. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best stand mixers. Number 5, Ankarsrum Original Stand Mixer. The Ankarsrum Original Stand Mixer is unlike any other, with a unique side-mounted motor and rotating bowl design that makes mixing more efficient and powerful. Its 600-watt motor is both strong and quiet, offering self-adjusting speed control that adapts as needed for perfect results. The innovative roller and scraper system mimics hand kneading, ensuring dough is evenly mixed without overworking it. With a 7-liter stainless steel bowl, this mixer can handle large batches with ease, making it a favorite for bread enthusiasts. Versatility is a key highlight of the Ankarsrum, as it can be turned on its side to accommodate a wide range of optional attachments, from a meat grinder and vegetable slicer to a blender and pasta maker. The included double whisk bowl is perfect for whipping meringues, buttercreams, and icings, making this mixer an all-in-one kitchen companion. If you love baking from scratch and want a stand mixer that's built for both precision and longevity, the Ankarsrum Original is a worthy investment that can handle any task. Number 4, Wolf Gourmet WGSM100S. If you're looking for a mixer that delivers uncompromising power and durability, the Wolf Gourmet high-performance stand mixer is a premium choice. Its commercial-grade motor and gearing system maintain consistent speed and power, even when mixing dense doughs like whole wheat bread or stiff cookie batters. Unlike traditional tilt-head mixers, Wolf's unique bowl lift design makes it easy to raise and lock the bowl into position with a simple turn of the handle, ensuring optimal mixing performance every time. What sets this mixer apart is its infinite variable speed control, allowing you to fine-tune mixing speeds for ultimate precision. It even has a pulse function, perfect for gently folding in ingredients without overmixing. The large 7-quart stainless steel bowl handles everything from delicate cake batters to large bread batches, making it a versatile powerhouse. Designed with professionals and serious home bakers in mind, the Wolf Gourmet stand mixer is built to last and offers the control and power needed for any culinary challenge. Number 3, KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift. For serious bakers and home chefs, the KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer offers commercial-grade power with the convenience of a home appliance. With twice the power of the standard tilt-head models, this mixer is built for heavy-duty tasks like kneading large batches of dough, whipping cream, or gently folding delicate ingredients. The bowl lift design provides superior stability, making it easier to mix even the thickest batters without strain. The 7-quart capacity is a game-changer, allowing you to mix up to 13 dozen cookies or knead 8.5 pounds of bread dough at once. This model also features 11 distinct speeds, offering precision control for every mixing need. The double flex edge beater is designed to scrape the sides of the bowl as it mixes, ensuring even ingredient incorporation and reducing the need to stop and scrape manually. Whether you're a home baker looking to scale up your production or a professional needing a reliable workhorse, the KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer is built to handle it all with ease and efficiency. Number 2, GE Profile Smart Mixer. The GE Profile Smart Stand Mixer takes baking to the next level, with cutting-edge technology that simplifies and enhances your mixing experience. Its AutoSense technology actively detects changes in dough texture and viscosity, adjusting power accordingly to ensure consistent, flawless results. One of its standout features is the built-in Smart Scale, which allows you to weigh ingredients directly in the mixing bowl for precise measurements, eliminating guesswork and ensuring accuracy in every recipe. With 11 variable speeds, including a slow start to prevent splattering, this mixer is powerful enough for everything from delicate whipped cream to dense bread dough. What makes the GE Profile truly innovative is its Wi-Fi connectivity and guided recipes, which continuously receive over-the-air updates, so your mixer keeps improving over time. The auto shut-off feature adds an extra layer of convenience, turning the mixer off when the timer runs out to prevent overmixing. Designed for serious bakers who want precision and smart features in one sleek package, the GE Profile Smart Stand Mixer is a game changer for those who love efficiency without sacrificing performance. Number 1, KitchenAid 5-quart tilt head. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt head stand mixer is a kitchen staple that blends timeless design with powerhouse performance. With a 5-quart stainless steel bowl and a sturdy tilt head design, this mixer offers both convenience and capacity, perfect for making up to 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in one go. Its 59-point planetary mixing action ensures that every ingredient is thoroughly incorporated, making your doughs, batters, and frostings perfectly smooth. Plus, with over 15 optional attachments available, you can turn this mixer into a complete culinary center for everything from pasta making to food grinding. Beyond functionality, the Artisan series shines with its variety of color options, allowing you to match your kitchen's style effortlessly. The included coated flat beater, dough hook, and 6-wire whip make tackling any recipe a breeze, and the one-piece pouring shield helps prevent messes when adding ingredients. Whether you're whipping cream, kneading bread dough, or mixing cookie batter, this stand mixer delivers reliable performance with an elegant flair that makes it a standout on any countertop. And there you have it, the top 5 best stand mixers to take your baking and cooking to the next level. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.